Hey guys, welcome to the video, and today we're going to learn how to build forms using Jotform, and trust me, it's going to be super simple. As an example, I'll show you how to create a form for a music class appointment, but once you see how it's done, you will be able to build any kind of form for any category in just a few minutes. Alright guys, this is what the Jotform homepage looks like. This area is called the workspace. Now Jotform isn't just a form builder, you can do so much more with it. Over here you will see tools like AI agent, store builder and plenty of other features. But for today's video, we're going to focus on how to create forms. And later on, I'll make another video showing how to create an AI agent using Jotform. So the first thing, you'll need to sign up. I have dropped the sign up link in the description of this video. So once you're signed up, this is how your dashboard will look. Now on the top left, you'll see big create button. That's where we'll start. So here, Jotform gives you tons of options. You can create AI agents, workflows, e-sign forms, reports and more. But for now, we're sticking to forms. Now here you will see the option to start from scratch or use one of the 10,000 plus pre-made forms or even import an existing form. So let's go ahead and start from scratch so we can customize everything to our needs. So here you will get two layout option, classic form and card form. Classic form shows all the question on one page, so user have to scroll down to fill them, and the card form shows one question per page and user will click through to the next page. So for this tutorial, we'll go with the classic form. Let's say we're building a music lesson appointment form for our music classes. Now we're in Jotform's build page, and this is where the magic happens. Here you can customize your form however you like. The first thing I will do is change the form title to music lesson appointment request. For the subheading, I will just add my channel name. At the top center, there's an option to upload your logo. I'll upload the one I made in Canva. Now you can resize it using the slider and also adjust its alignment too. Now let's start building our form. It's super easy, just drag and drop. On the left, you'll see the add element section. Here you will find basic form elements, payment gateways and huge library of widgets like calculation fields, signature boxes, photo upload, unique IDs and much more. Let's begin by adding the name field. You can either click on it and it will appear on the form or drag it over. Now see this little gear icon? That's where you can customize the field, like change its label, alignment and more. So let's leave the alignment as it is for now. I'll edit the placeholder text by going to the advanced setting. This will help explain what goes in the field. Now there is also a hover text option where you can add extra instructions that appear when users hover over the field. You can even give users the option to add their middle name, prefix or suffix if you want. Next, let's add an email address field so we can send follow-up emails later. Just click on email and it will drop into place. Now let's add a phone number field the same way. What about asking for user's age? Since that's important for music classes, I will use the date picker. Go to its properties and change the field label to student's age. I'll also tweak the date format to day, month and year. Now let's let user pick their instrument preference. For that, I will add a drop down list. Now search for a drop down and add it. Let's say we offer guitar, piano, drums and violin lessons. So I'll click the edit option and type in these instruments. Don't forget to change the field label to select your instrument. Now to see how it looks, go to preview mode, top right corner. Now users can easily pick an instrument from the drop down menu. Okay, let's go back to building. I'll add another drop down for skill level with options like beginner and advanced. Next, let's say we offer both offline and online courses. To let user pick their preferred lesson type, I'll add a single choice field which you can find over here. So in option 1, I will give in person and option 2 online. So I will delete the extra options by clicking the little X next to them. Now let's add one more single choice field for preferred lesson frequency. So the option 1 will be weekly and option 2 will be bi-weekly. Now delete the other option here too. So far the form looks good, but we're not done yet guys. I also want users to pick their preferred days and time slots. For that I will add two drop downs, one for day and another for time. So just repeat the same process, change the field level and add your options. And at the end of the form, let's add a long text field for what your musical goal is. Now go to properties, advanced and in placeholder I'll type like learn basics, prepare for exams, learn a specific song, hobby. Now let's check the preview. It looks clean and simple. Now let's make it look even better. On the right hand side, there's a print brush icon. This is where you can style your form. Now you can change color, themes, layout and even upload your own background images. For now, I'll just set the background to black. If you want more advanced design option, click on advanced designer. So I'll keep it simple for now. So before we move on, don't forget to add a submit button. You'll find it under elements. Go to themes and pick a different style. I like this supernova theme, so I'll apply that. If it doesn't load a right way or shows an error, don't worry, just refresh the page. Jotform auto-saves everything. Now the form looks professional with cleaner fonts and colors. If you want to customize the submit button further, go to style, change button style, pick your favorite design, and you're good to go. Now let's explore the settings tab. Form settings, you can enable or disable your form. For example, let's say you only have 100 slots for lesson and want the form to close automatically after 100 submissions. Just set the submission limit to 100 and add a message like, "Thank you for your interest. All lesson slots are currently full." Click save and you're done. You can also set the form to close on a specific date. And now under the emails tab, you can set automatic confirmation emails to people who fill out the form. Now you can customize the email, attach files, and Jotform will handle sending them. From integrations, you can connect your form to apps like Google Drive, MailChimp, and so much more. So one more cool feature that I want to show you is conditions. Let's say we add a single choice field like, do you have your own instrument? And if they select yes, we want to show a drop down asking which instrument do you have. If they select no, the drop down stays hidden. To set this up, go to setting, conditions, show height field. Now set the rule, if do you have your own instrument is equal to yes, then show which instrument do you have. Now in preview mode, watch what happens. If I select no, nothing shows, but if I select yes, the drop down appears. You can use conditions like this to make your form smarter and more dynamic. Finally, let's set up a thank you page for users who submit the form. You can customize the text, upload images, or even redirect them to your website. Once your form is ready, go to the publish tab and hit publish. Alright guys, that's how you create a form with Jotform. I have dropped the sign up link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on SaaS and AI tools. If I missed anything or you have questions, drop them in the comments and I will try my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and peace.